What if I told you that regular people with zero musical talent are making hundreds of dollars a month just from songs they never actually recorded?
Something about the girl that just makes my head wanna twirl. Oh, you got me want to.
And yes, way better than whatever this is. Anywho, no studio, no instrument, no singing in the shower practicing for their big break. Just AI, a laptop, and a process that takes less than an hour. And the royalties keep coming in long after the work is done. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this right now. Here's what's actually going on in the music world right now. Streaming platforms are hungry. YouTube Music, Spotify, Apple Music, they need content constantly. And independent artists are cashing in. We're talking royalties hitting bank accounts every single month just from songs sitting on these platforms doing nothing but existing. The old way to do this, you needed talent, equipment, a producer, a budget, a whole situation. The new way, you need Claude AI, a melody generator, and about 45 minutes of your afternoon. That's it. Let me walk you through the whole thing step by step. Step 1 is writing your song. And before you say anything, no, you don't need to be a songwriter. That's literally the whole point of this video. Head over to Claude AI. Now, I know some people default to other AI tools, but Claude is genuinely better at creative writing. The lyrics it produces actually sound like a real song, and not something a robot wrote at 3 in the morning, which ironically is when most people are watching this video. No judgment. So you're going to give Claude a prompt. Be specific. Don't just say, write me a song. That's lazy, and you'll get lazy results. Instead, say something like, write a smooth, soulful R&B song about finding peace after a hard season, inspired by SZA. Keep the verses short, the chorus catchy, and the bridge emotional. Claude is going to give you a full song, title, verses, chorus, bridge, the whole thing. If you love it,
nice.
If something feels off, just tell Claude to revise it. That back and forth is actually where the magic happens. Treat it like a collaboration, not a vending machine. Once you've got lyrics you're happy with, copy the whole thing. Step 2 is turning those lyrics into an actual song. And this is the part that still genuinely surprises me every time I see it work. We're taking those lyrics over to Suno AI. This tool takes your words and turns them into a fully produced, radio-ready song with vocals, instrumentation, the whole package. It sounds like something you'd actually hear on a playlist. Not a demo, not a rough cut, a real song. Now here's the part I want to be upfront about because I don't like surprises. You do need a paid subscription on Suno to sell the music commercially. The lowest plan is $10 a month. I know, but think about it this way. One song getting decent streams pays that back faster than you'd expect, and you can upload as many songs as you want. So $10 for unlimited commercial music is honestly a ridiculous deal. Once you're in, click Create, switch to Custom Mode, paste your Claude lyrics in, describe the style you want, something like female vocal, smooth R&B, dreamy production, and hit Create. It'll generate 2 versions. Listen to both.
Used to cry in the shower so nobody could hear. Kept a smile on my face, but the weight it was there.
Pick the one that hits harder, download the WAV file for the highest quality. That matters when you're uploading to streaming platforms. Step 3 is your album cover. And yes, this matters more than people think. Your cover is the first thing anyone sees when your song comes up on YouTube Music. A bad cover makes people keep scrolling. A great cover makes people stop and listen. Go back to Claude and ask it to generate an image prompt for your album cover. Describe the vibe of your song, the colors you want, the mood. Then take that prompt over to an AI image generator. Bing Image Creator works great and it's free. And generate your cover art. Make sure whatever you create is 3000 by 3000 pixels. That's the standard size streaming platforms require. Don't skip that detail or your upload will get rejected and you'll be annoyed at yourself. Step 4 is where everything comes together and the money conversation actually starts. The platform we're using to distribute is called DistroKid. This is what gets your song live on YouTube, Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, and about 40 other platforms simultaneously. You upload once and it goes everywhere. Now, YouTube Music is our main focus here because YouTube pays out royalties not just from streams, but also from YouTube videos that use your music. That's a whole extra income layer that most people don't even think about. Every time someone uses your track in their content, you're earning. It's passive income stacked on top of passive income. Plans start at about $25 a year, not a month, a year, with unlimited uploads. So you could theoretically upload 100 songs for $25 annually and have all of them sitting on YouTube Music generating royalties. That math is hard to argue with. And yes, your music goes to Spotify too. I've already done a whole video on making money specifically with Spotify, so go check that out after this one. But the point is, one upload hits everything at once. So let's zoom out and look at what you've actually built here. You wrote a professional song using Claude AI. You turned it into a fully produced track using Suno. You created album art that looks intentional and eye-catching. And you distributed it to YouTube Music, Spotify, Apple Music, and dozens of other platforms for less than the cost of a dinner out. Now your song is sitting on streaming platforms. Every stream generates royalties. Every YouTube video that uses your track generates royalties. You can do this over and over again. Different genres, different moods, different artist names if you want. The AI doesn't run out of ideas. It doesn't have creative blocks. It doesn't need a break. You just became an independent music distributor with zero musical training. And honestly, that's kind of wild. If you made it to the end of this video, I genuinely appreciate you. Drop a comment and tell me what kind of song you're going to make first. I'm actually curious. And if you haven't seen the Spotify playlist curation video yet, the one where I show you how to get paid to review other people's music, go watch that next. Between these two videos, you've got a full AI music income strategy locked in. Subscribe if you want more of this. New video every week, no fluff, just the moves. Too easy.